11. bölüm ve nereye gideceğiz? Steve ve Dam'a zaten o mavi sakallı çocuk gitti.
I'll go to
Strip
the
trap'e
drip
gidelim.
trap, see about Lily's things.
Aynen öyle.
I think that's our best option.
Sounds good.
Bence de öyle çünkü başka şeyimiz yok.
Find something in the records.
Let me know what he comes up with.
I'll be in touch. I hope you'll do the same.
We'll catch him, Snow.
İnşallah
Hang on,
kardeşim.
Jack. I want to talk to you.
Strip Trap Bar. Gece saat 1:15. 45 dakikamız var. Biz bayağı oyalanıyoruz anasını satayım. Geri zekalı ne yapıyorsun?
I need to talk to Holly.
Gel. Selamünaleyküm.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff.
Yine mi sen ya? Niye kaçtın geçen gün?
Well, come on in, buddy.
Grant.
What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some
Aynen.
hospitality, right?
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Geri zekalı herif. Aa kafası iyileşmiş.
I want
Nerede?
a drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Eyvallah kardeşim haram.
Swinehart said you shouldn't mix
You
it.
think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say?
Oğlum. Neyse.
Grant, really, you shouldn't drink right now. Swinehart told me that Holly was here. I need to talk to her.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Sebep?
Really? The doc gave him both Barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very, very nice high.
Ne yaptık? Kolunu koparmamakta
Said
hata
that
mı
he
yaptık
shouldn't mix
ya?
it with alcohol.
Yes, he did. He certainly did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy.
There's no way to wake her up.
Oh, no. And anyways, the doctor gave me strict orders to let the fine woman
O zaman
sleep.
iş size düştü kardeşim.
She's had a very traumatic experience.
Daha yeter.
That funeral back there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay?
Adam ol. Benimle konuşuyor.
Can't say you being there helped things much.
Grant, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything? I'm not.
You think I shot up the place? It wasn't my fault.
They got away though, didn't they?
Ne diyorsun ya?
Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it. I want to clear the air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. We're all gonna have a toast. All of us.
Fellas, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now,
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take
1-2.
2 seconds.
Bitti kardeşim hadi.
As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's shit or whatever.
Grand Bigby didn't come here to get loaded with you.
I don't want to get loaded with him. It's just a quick slug. Not gonna hurt anybody. And then we'll, help you out with your thing.
Ben içmiyorum abi.
Gran, the doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh? You're not my fucking
Oğlum
mother,
ne
so just
vuruyorsun?
get
Mal
off my
mısın
back.
kardeş?
I said I was sorry, all right? I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Allah Allah. Oğlum sizin mi
What
şey
more
yapacağız
do
ya?
you want? What else can I fucking say here?
Cut this shit out now. I don't care what it's about.
Oh, I forgot. You haven't heard the news. This
Ne oldu?
fucking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind
Ay,
all of our
piç.
backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? And our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal.
Vay be.
It
Amına kodum
wasn't.
uçkuna
I
düşkün
never
piçi.
fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
La oğlum ne pislik bir adamsın sen ya.
I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife. I don't know why I never realized it till now. What do you think about this fucking loser, Sheriff?
He can think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay, because I'll tell you what he thinks. He thinks you have to pay chicks to touch your fat, hairy ass. That's what he thinks.
I think whatever happened was between them. And Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Grin.
Gel buraya gel. Siktir git, zamanım yok abi. Hadi ya, verin bana şunları, 45 dakikam kaldı amına.
Grin.
I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule.
Thanks for the...
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems
Ameliyat
that
uyu
I'm
kardeşim.
gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff?
Hı hı.
What a fucking day.
Hatırlamayacak. Bir koyacağım bu. Tipe bak, iğrenç. İyi. Çok elleme. Ya. Heh, iyi oldu, tamam. Ne var burada? Ne oldu, günaydın?
You, Woody? Woody? Is that you? Woody, bar's closed. And Lily ain't around anyway, so you can run off back to the woods, I guess.
Hı hı. Sağdaki mi o? Arkada da şeyler var. Swiddle'lar.
Did you care about her at all? She was a nice girl. Ran around too much, but a nice girl.
Evet.
I thought you were a friend.
Aha, bir tane daha atılsın. Bu seferki farklı mı? Farklı sanki. Alsana abi.
I don't know why you fucking came here. There's nothing left for you to ruin. And I'm not in an entertaining mood.
Ya bir sus ya. Leş gibi bir şey değil mi? Cehennem azabı kokuyordur bunun azabı.
Lily's funeral. It was just
Daha
so
bir sus ya.
tonight. I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit. showed up. I just wish he'd get out of my fucking life.
He's trying to do what's right.
You think so?
Yeah.
Bence de.
Well, you know him better than anybody, so I
iyi.
guess I'll take your word for it.
Vay ananı sikeyim.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch. Auntie Greenleaf. Gotcha.
Got you.
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby,
Var, var, dur.
pick up, okay?
Alo.
Snow?
Oh, thank God. Tell me you found something.
I
Buldum
got
buldum.
it, Snow. Her address was here with Lily's things. It's on White Plains Avenue, 1284. It's an apartment complex.
Great. Let's get going. Crane's meeting her in a few minutes.
All right, let's go. I don't want to miss him.
I'll meet you there.
All right, I'll see you there.
Görüşürüz canım. Neredeyse bu. Ananın
I just
amı.
got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I know.
15 dakikalamış olsun.
This is it.
All right. How do you want to do this?
Sesim kapalıymış. Allah'ım ya
Being
Rabbim.
awfully quiet.
Sabahtan beri ya. Neyse arkadaşlar, sessizce izleyeceksiniz bu bölümü. Yapacak bir şey yok. Umarım ses vardı ya da ben malımdır duymuşumdur.
Hello?
Ay ananı sikeyim.
Hi.
You woke me up.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong?
Who are you?
Rachel? Who are you?
Rachel kim ya?
Just so we're not strangers.
I'm Bigby. This is Snow.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do?
İyiyiz kardeşim de sen ne ayaksın
Is
ya?
there anything you need? I'm not allowed to let people in.
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever
Annen mi?
make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
No, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right. Is there something you want?
Rachel, do you mind if I take just a quick peek around?
We'll be very quick, and he won't touch anything.
Allah Allah. Onu sorayım, bu nasıl?
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here.
Sus lan.
Okay, Bigby. I'm gonna trust you not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
What are we looking
Lan
for
3 yaşındasın. Bu
specifically?
nasıl konuşma?
Crane, he could still be here. That your mom?
Uh-huh.
Maşallah. Şurada bir şey var.
Fucking witches.
Ne yapıyorsun abim sen burada?
Not here.
There's no one here but me.
Annen seni niye tek bıraktı kardeşim? Peki bana onu söylersen. Greenleaf.
The butcher.
What's that?
A package having to do with someone called the butcher. It's empty. There's nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Nothing?
See?
Dalga mı geçiyorsun birader ya? Öbür odaya niye
No
bakamıyoruz?
one's been over all night, so...
He's just going to check.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
God damn it.
Shouldn't say that.
Nothing?
I keep getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Sen git kardeşim, biz buradayız.
Is that
Aa.
a glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried. Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with
It's
that.
all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
No, you
it.
don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her
O
stuff.
ne abi, sus lan.
She checks all the time to see if things move. I don't want to get in trouble.
Look, I have to check this out. I'm sorry.
No, put it down. Please don't. This isn't what you think. You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise.
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
La sus karı.
Auntie Greenleaf.
It
Geri zekalı.
hurts when you do it that fast.
Al işte.
What? Not sprightly enough?
Why Rachel? Why the little girl?
I don't think that's any of your business, Wolf.
Why?
How about because it works? That's why. That good enough for you? Certainly kept you two off the scent for a while.
A short while. All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
I was born in the woods to a jackal and a...
Please, Greenleaf, just help us catch Crane. That's all we care about.
That's not all we care about.
Snow?
Ney başka
I
ne?
ain't a
Ha?
fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew.
Just why in the name of everything holy are you protecting this weaselly scumbag? I mean,
Değil mi?
what on earth could he have done to deserve this kind of loyalty?
Crane could be hollow bones tomorrow, and you wouldn't see me cry a drop. But that doesn't mean I can tell you anything. You have friends, don't you?
Please, Greenleaf. Crane is a murderer and he's
Yani.
escaping.
Yardım
Might
et ya.
want to check your facts on that.
Ne?
It doesn't matter. I can't help you. I have no interest in being turned into a skink and crushed under boot heels. There's powers at work here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something,
We can protect you, okay?
Seni koruruz.
Whatever it is you're afraid of, we can make sure that it won't come to pass.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Ne ki?
okay, you know what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you. This witch has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again.
Ağacın içindeymiş değil mi
We're
Crane?
destroying the tree.
No! How dare you come in here and threaten to take from me the one thing that... That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment.
Öyle mi?
Fools who can't afford the glamours from you come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. 2 fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to handle it, too.
And I don't use it as an excuse to wreck people's lives.
Isn't there another way? She's a witch. Can't she just work for us? That way she'd be official.
You want to reward her for criminal behavior? We can't trust this woman on the 13th floor.
It doesn't matter, because I'd never do
Oğlum.
it. I'm not a house cat, and I don't play well with
Oh,
others.
trust me,
Oo,
no
o
one will
zaman ağaç
confuse
gidecek
you for a
aga.
cuddly animal. Bigby, this is an order. Burn the tree.
No! Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here.
Ne
He
oldu?
was here and he left. He went to the pudding and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel. You know, that it will pierce the protection around the girls' speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence. It won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Bigby.
Please, Sheriff.
Today's your lucky day, Greenleaf. I'm hiring you as the business office's newest witch in residence.
Bigby!
The witches over there will keep her out of trouble, and we have a glamour shortage as it is. It makes the most sense.
Bence de abi. Yapacak bir şey yok. Öldürelim mi karıyı, ne
You
yapalım?
get to keep your fucking tree.
Just don't expect me to bow down to your little woman here.
Oo abi sen de.
Don't think for a second that this is over.
So what? Are moving trucks gonna show up here or something?
Something like that.
We'll call you.
Neyse ya, yaksa mıydık acaba, bilmiyorum ki. Durduk hocam. Durduk hocam. Öbür bölümde sizlerleyiz.